In today's video, I am going to show you how to easily color grade this image. So doesn't talk more further, let's see how to do that. So first open you like old photo or black and white photo or you like photo. Then get a adjustment layer, then go to vibrance, then increase the vibrance, then again increase the saturation. Okay, then go to the adjustment layer, then get export, then increase some export, then offset, decrease the offset. Okay, then again go to this, then get brightness and contrast, then increase the contrast, then increase some brightness and again increase the contrast. Okay, then again go to the adjustment layer, then get curves and increase the curves like this. Okay, and again go to the adjustment layer, then get color balance and increase the neon red, then magenta increase. Okay, then increase the blue. Okay, then your photo is fully color graded. Then select the effects by pressing Ctrl, then press Ctrl and G to group, then rename this group as color. Okay, so this is before color grade, this is after the color grade. This is very easy to use. You doesn't need any other plugins or any other effects, filters or any others. This is inbuilt in Photoshop. So if you can do this, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new videos quickly for you. So we will see in another interesting video with more new stuff, and see you again on TECHEX.